I'm trying to sort out the irrigation system now. This is the main line, and comes down to here. Then it splits, and that feeds. It used to feed the allotment. Now I changed it. It feeds basically. There's a tap there, and there's a tap in the dog kennels, and then the dog kennel, and then there's a tap by the poultry, which it's connected to the automatic waterers. And now I changed it so that so basically where it splits, that line, I will install this timer, which is, it's like, I don't know how many years old. So like I said, it's from Lidl's. It's and it's still going, but it doesn't matter what the device is. The plan is I'm going to install this here on that 20mm line, not this one, the one below, and then this will be attached to, well, now thinking about it, I may have to put a 20mm starter. This is called the starter, and or a 16mm one. I'm gonna see about that. But anyway, and after this, it's going to feed this line, which goes and waters those trees. It will water this allotment, and it will also water the area here and here, and also all the way to the back, like I've said before, where the fig trees are and the other fruit trees. So I'm just gonna. So this is a starter. This is a 20mm one. This is a 3/4. I'm not sure what you call this part. And I will also have this before the timer. So here. So then if I have to fix anything, I'll just close it, and then I'll fix the starter, so it doesn't spill the water when I remove them. As far as the plants, I'm not. I'm very concerned because even after all those waterings, the substrate is not saturated enough, especially in the bottom layers. So I'm gonna think about something else, and then update on that. In fact, what I'm basically gonna do, I think, is just install the system and have it water every hour or so. So that's it for now. This was my idea. I used this tub, this bin, and this tub to soak them all the way up to here, like this. Then let them drain. I put a brick, and after it's fully drained, like this one, I will top up with the potting soil, dry like this. And some of them I did lift them up, so I teased them up like this, and so I can get a bit more out of them. Basically I can get a bit more out of the container. and I ended up buying more potting soil because I'm still using, so I still have 4 pots left, and that's the only way I could get it to work. And when I put them in, I push them on the sides with both hands, and you can see the air bubbles. They start to come through, and that's when the water goes through from the bottom layer up. And I also pour some more on top, so like this. So you can see it's all saturated now. I should have done this at first, and shouldn't have been so hasty to put them at their place, and they wouldn't have a problem because they were freshly soaked, so they could take a few hours without being saturated. But yeah, so you can see bubbles coming through. And I've also moved some of the ones that are gonna get taller in theory. I brought them to this side, and I'm also rearranging the colors. I don't want to be making to confuse some when I'm taking cuttings, so I'm doing that. And I bought some new fittings for the irrigation system, some gloves. Not sure where they are right now, but anyway, they are in somewhere, and yeah, I'm gonna use that, go through, bam bam bam, and then one there, and then like this. I've got these as well, I haven't soaked yet. So that's pretty much it. I'll update them once I'm done.